On this behind the scenes, we're going to talk about our secret weapon, tactile feedback. Now, it's not the easiest feature to get across intuitively, so we're going to use a cake and some manual input to demo it. So here on this graph, we have in a red line target force and in a blue line the actual current force of the robot. So if I just manually up the force, target force, you can see the robot tracks that. If I decrease it, again, see the blue line, the robot tracks it. So if I now, as you can see, here is the robot, not moving at all. It's kind of locked in the cake. So I'm going to up it. See, and then we see the robot cutting. Obviously that would normally happen automatically when we're grinding metal, but we'll be showing this a bit more in the next coming weeks. It takes a few more behind the scenes videos to get it across. Thanks a lot.